What's up, Play Squad? It's Martin here. So today, we're going to be reacting to another Honkai Star Rail trailer, and it's about Himiko Nova for the version 4.4 chapter story. So, let's go!
The coast, where the Tower of Infinity slumbered, where the Express set
Himiko.
off once more. Or, as I frequently call it, where repeated mistakes began. Prosperity breeds corruption.
That's gonna be happening?
Forges heroes. The myriad colors returning to the world.
That's supposed to be everything that's supposed to be happening.
Is written in stone.
Wait!
If there's nothing ahead of us, then we'll
Hold on.
trailblaze a path forward with our own hands!
Yes!
Starblazer!
Yes! There's the new Himiko!
Trailblazing never ends!
That's what I would say.
This is the resistance I have been looking for.
Kid, if you can't find me, just look up at the stars.
That could have been one way if the kid gets lost, Himiko.
To light up the entire night sky for you.
You saw a path no one had ever trod before. Then you set
Wow,
off
this
on
is
it.
really good rock music.
Once more.
Don't be afraid.
Sally,
I'm here.
that's it! Yes! We are at it. That is going to be really fun. And also, that was supposed to be the half of the trailer. Well, if you guys want to see me react to more Honkai Star Rail trailers or do some gameplays of the new updates, don't forget to subscribe to Martin Plays Review and comment if you're excited for this new Honkai Star Rail update. So, thanks for watching, everyone.